Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up parental controls on Redmi 12R. To do this, we'll need to open our settings, then scroll down for the Google service. Here it is. And now we are currently logged into the two different accounts, I think, but select the account you want to put the parental controls for and scroll down for parental controls. Here click on Get Started. Who will be using this device, and you can pick child or teen or parent. In this case we're going to go for child or teen and go to the next step. Select your child's Google account. We're going to pick that one and now log into the parent account. I'm going to do it off screen. Here you will also need to enter a password for your child account. And we need to allow supervision. Click on Next. You should be able to see all of the apps that are installed on this device and allow them or disallow them to be used by this account. I'm gonna click on More just because there's no point for me to disable any apps at the moment. And now let's wait. And manage filters and settings. You can adjust Google Play purchase download approvals, Google Play apps and games. You can change the PG rating for games that are available for install or apps that are available to install, Google Play movies PG, and also Google Play books, and other things like filters on different search engines. So let's click on Next and install Family Link. Next, review controls, and here our setup is finished. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.